Okay, I finally did something about my shower situation. I had bottles everywhere. Shampoo on the floor, conditioner in the corner, body wash just existing with no home. I started to feel like I was in a storage unit with running water. So I ordered these shower caddies from Amazon. No drilling, no tools, and I'm gonna show you if they're actually worth it. Full transparency, I already installed one of these the other day, so yes, this is technically a fake unboxing. But it comes in a 2-pack, and I saved this second one so I can actually look at it up close with you guys. It's stainless steel with a black matte finish. It's very clean and very modern. It also comes with heavy-duty adhesive mounts, so you don't have to drill into the tile. Again, these are the adhesive brackets that actually mount to the wall. You stick these on first, let them cure for 24 hours, and then you slide the shelves right into place. No anchors, no screws, no drama. So let me show you the installation. The before of my shower, and as you can see up here is where I cleaned the surface and I applied the adhesive. I just measured this out with the instructions listed, just making sure it was straight. I put a little mark and I wiped it off. I let this cure for about 24 hours, and then you just simply take it and put it in the corner like this and pop it in. And they actually come with little hooks that you can hang your loofah on the side. Little hooks there. It also comes with a little toothbrush or miscellaneous. You could add more shower stuff to it. Toothbrush, but this goes on the end, just like that. And it comes with 2 of those also. Let's do a weight test. This is a very heavy bottle here. I think that's holding up pretty well. So here's my final take. I genuinely recommend this. I bought this because I wanted a simple solution, not a weekend project, and I didn't want to drill into the tile. I didn't want to measure anchors. I just wanted something clean, functional, and easy. And that's exactly what this is. It's for around $15 for a 2-pack, and it feels like a really solid value. It looks modern, it feels sturdy, and immediately made my shower more functional and organized. Sometimes the best upgrades are the ones that quietly improve your space without a ton of effort. If you're interested in the product, the link is below in the description. And if you like this content, practical Amazon finds that actually make a difference, make sure to like and subscribe so I know to keep making more reviews like this.